guys, I'm Evelyn.
And I'm Chloe. And today we're going to be making slime. This is just
Puff balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, foam
Sticky.
balls.
balls.
Yeah.
Captain Crunch foam balls. Right. Anyway, so we're going to be making slime with glue,
This is our little jars.
baking soda, and contact solutions. And
I'm basically doing everything that she does. So
whatever we want, with a little bolt and a little
yeah.
It's a little big, but it's okay. Okay. So let's get started.
I don't know how much glue to put in because I'm not.
However much you want.
Okay. That's a sandwich jar, but she uses that to keep slime in. That's a good idea.
Okay. So I have my slime. I have my glue in there. You can see that. You can obviously through it right there. I have my glue in there. Then I'm going to add in my coloring.
Here.
I'm gonna make a blue.
I'm gonna make, I guess, pink and blue. Those are really my favorite colors. Yeah.
No.
Now I
So I have my blue in there. Oh, I can't see it. You can't. Don't want to tip it over, but yeah. So let's mix that in.
Okay.
So that coloring method that we're using is actually made for slime because I got it out of a slime package that I was gonna make some unicorn slime with it, and that came with it. The coloring.
I'm gonna put every color in there if it's okay.
Okay, hold on. Can I use some more blue?
Yeah.
This isn't very good for blue.
Here you go. I got purple a little bit on there. Okay, well, I don't really want to tip this over, but it looks so cool right now. I'll try to bring it up and show you. You probably couldn't see it though.
Yeah, and we are making this on the bed, so it's kind of like tipping because like my room is really tiny.
Yeah.
And that's like the only place where to put it. But I don't care if it looks.
That looks so cool. If I could show you, I would, but I don't really want to tip it over. I put more purple than anything. I'm serious.
Wow.
Can I get a little bit more blue and pink, please? Oh. Was that me?
Yeah.
Because it's purple. Okay, well, I made slime last night, and my hands are still like this. I can't.
Yeah.
Never mind. I can just deal with purple. Okay.
Okay. What am I gonna put in there? Okay. I'm gonna put some of these stands in them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too, cause like I said, I'm gonna do everything she's doing.
I don't know where these came from. I just found these in my drawer and I was like, I'm using this for slime. So I'm gonna use a pink.
She has a good desk over there for slime and all that stuff. Cause her birthday, yeah. Oh, I want pink and blue and purple.
Whatever you want.
Ooh, a pretty color. I gotta use that.
I don't know how this is gonna feel. I'm gonna need more.
More pink.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, this color. Oh, it hasn't been opened yet. I've already opened this. You gotta open that. I don't know.
Oh no, that one was just already opened. Oh.
Thank you. This is probably. Whoa. Here you go, Chloe.
Hold on.
Whoa, I put a lot of rocks. Okay, well, here you go. That's my slime. Can you give me a little bit more? Or pink?
Wow. I put a lot in there. Like I put a whole big package in there. Or the whole thing in there. This is gonna be really
Okay, well, she just now opened this and I did not want to use it.
It's fine, because as you can see, I got like bunches of it, and I don't even know what to use it for.
Ooh, did you see that pipe right there? Like blue and purple?
That is cool.
You might not be able to see it because it might ruin. So cool. See? Yes, it did ruin.
Okay, well, no.
We need to get started.
Yeah, I guess I'll just put my baking soda in there.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Come on. It's almost empty because it, like, I put it in the bag last night and it like poured out. I was like, how are you turning on this line? It's already clumping up. See? It's already clumping up.
Mine's probably not gonna come, but she got the magic touch, so I was like, I need to be at Chloe's house so I can make a YouTube video for slime because she's amazing and she can, because you know, she probably makes slime a lot. She has so many buckets over there of slime. Last night I was just lucky because I mean my slime turned out good. We made a video that I'm probably thinking about posting on YouTube. If I can, I don't know if I will or not.
It's clumping up. Turn on this one.
Can you give me some of that, please?
This?
No, that.
This, hold on.
Wait, does this look like it's more? Does it look like it needs more baking soda?
No.
Okay.
You gotta go clump on the side again. Okay. This is probably gonna be really sticky slime. I don't even know how this is gonna turn out. Oh my god, it's gonna feel so cool. I'm not even joking. Oh, this is so sad.
Okay. Here we go. Oh my god. This is so cool. It just keeps on coming out of the bowl. We need to knead it.
I need mine little at a time.
Yeah. I might get big ones.
Oh, that wasn't slime yet. That was water.
So amazing. I hope we're recording the video. I really hope. Because my videos, the videos and like fast kind of, I'm not so, well, I don't know. I don't know what I was going to say.
Sometimes I wish this container would stick to the surface so I could like pick up the slime without picking it.
So that's why I just put mine on my feet. Like that.
Oh, I can't do This is like really sticky slime.
Okay, I need to start this.
That's how mine looks. It's like a bluish and purple rocks in it. I think
This is how mine looks. You can't really see the rocks that good. It looks like clumps. See, it's like all that.
I think I'm gonna add some foam to mine, just a little bit though.
Ooh, I love foam.
It's sticky. You want it to be sticky to add foam in it though. Oh, that's glue. That's glue. That's not slime. That was straight glue. Okay. Well, let's put this in there.
Ooh, mine's sticky. Look at my hands, guys. Ah.
When all of it is slime and stuff and it's still sticky, I don't use the thing to stir it up because I don't get it. Because it's already slime and it's really hard to mix it up when it's already slime.
Before we get any farther, let's like this video for 1,000 likes.
Yep. Oh,
Ooh. Where's that foam at?
it's right there.
Oh, I thought you said shaving cream. I love shaving cream.
I don't have
Oh,
any
I need
shaving
some
cream.
of that. I need some of that.
One second.
Okay. There's some.
Oh,
There you go. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Mix that up. Oh, there we go. Now, last night I was really basically wasting my slime. Because Chloe knows. Because, you know. I forgot that. Because I threw it away last night. I don't know why I decided to wear long sleeve shirt in the middle of making slime. This is a school shirt, you know, after school. So I meant to wear a play shirt, but I forgot what drawer my play shirts are at. Somehow hers always gets done fast. Hey, can you get the magic touch, my slime?
You gotta put your own magic touch in your slime.
I don't know how. I'm
It's
not
however
a
you-
magic touch. You can make more slime.
It's however you make it. It's your magic touch. If you make it bad, then that's your magic touch. If you make it good, it's your magic touch. Whatever good. Because when I first made slime, I was terrible at it. Like, I could not make it. Like, I know, it was terrible.
I don't even know what to say yet. Nice slime. This is what my slime is cool.
Now I'm gonna add foam beads to it.
Yay! But she's gonna add hers first because she's done with hers. Hey, can you roll my sleeves up? We done this a lot last night. Roll my sleeves up, roll my sleeves up.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know why I just always wear long sleeves. I guess it's because it's cold outside. It's not really that kind of cold. Get off of me. Okay, guys, my slime looks gross because
It's not gross.
it looks gross. I put too much rocks in it.
No.
How dare you? Put some on here.